Go for it.
Taking a little JD bike spin around the office since he stranded us here today after the meeting. Oh shit. Down on there, gonna make the turn. Ah. Dude, we gotta get the fuck out of here, man. We're driving this fucking bike around. Which way did he have it parked? Oh, it was the other way.
Should have taken video of it before you got it.
That would have been a good idea.
Would have been a good idea. What do you do? What do you do?
Just not gonna do that shit. I think it's this way.
I think so too.
Yeah. Alright.
You know he's gonna notice.
Oh, I know, dude.
But not scratch the wall either.
It looks. Are you still recording?